Welcome back to GW Ignite. In this tutorial, we will explore the content page, where you can manage all the course materials for your class. Let's get started. In your class card, click on the content link. Once on the content page, click Open to explore the available resources for your class. Note, if you no longer need a product for your class, simply click the Remove button. Assignment data is saved and will be moved to the Assignments from Removed Courses area. Resources are organized by units, chapters, or modules, similar to the textbook. Use the Quick Nav menu to quickly locate specific activities within each chapter. Click a subfolder to take you directly to the desired folder or activity. The available activities may vary depending on the product being used. Chapter-specific lessons, PowerPoints, and other materials can be found under Course Resources. Additional instructor resources can also be available depending on the product and are identified with the teacher tag. Students do not have access to these instructor resources. Click the Open button to explore the various interactive activities available within each chapter. The content page remembers your progress, so when you leave and return, it will take you back to the section you were last working on. Each activity displays the assignment name and, if available, related learning outcomes. It also uses actionable icons that vary depending on the activity type. These include the pacing icon indicates how the activity is assigned. The teacher assign icon means the teacher must assign the activity for students to begin work. The student paced icon means that students can access and start working on the activity without a teacher assigning it. This feature is only available for selected products. The eye icon on an assignment indicates it's currently visible to students. Students can preview most unassigned activities, but they cannot submit for a grade until they are assigned. Activities like post-tests and exams do not have a preview option. To hide it, click the eye icon and choose Hidden from Students under Visibility. The icon will then have a slash through it, letting you know the assignment is hidden. If you prefer to keep your learning path clutter-free, you can disable hidden assignments by turning off the Show Hidden Resources toggle. Graded activities are designed as either auto-graded or manually graded. Activities without these tags, like the online textbook, are readings or resources that students can access but do not receive a grade for. To preview an activity, click on the View button. At the beginning of an activity, you may see a list of learning outcomes the activity covers, along with some instructional details. Use the Next and Back buttons to navigate through the activity sequentially. The Go To button allows you to jump to specific pages within the activity. Navigate questions by scrolling the page or using the question number buttons on the right-hand navigation bar to jump directly to a specific question. The Answers button will reveal the solution for the questions. This feature is only available to instructors. You can exit the activity at any time by clicking the Exit button. Some manually graded activities, such as open response questions, include question alignment details and teacher notes that provide the solution where applicable. To assign an activity, click the Assign button. In the Assign menu, you can customize the assignment settings for the entire class, for students in select groups, for select students, or across all classes if applicable. You can set the start date, end date, and time. You can choose how the grades will be displayed to your students once the assignment has been completed. Choose whether the assignment grade will appear in your gradebook and reports, whether students can see their grades, and if they are allowed to review their mistakes after submittal. These settings can always be adjusted after the assignment has been activated. In the Student Instruction text box, you can provide additional instructions for your students. These notes are only visible once they access the activity. Once you've selected your desired settings, click Assign. A success window will appear and ask if you want to assign any other groups or classes. If you click Yes, the Assign menu will stay open. You can then assign this activity to a new group. If you click No, the window will close. Activities may take up to a minute to successfully assign to your students. Once the activity is assigned, a calendar icon will appear on your activity card, indicating it's been assigned. Clicking this icon will show you the status of student progress for the assignment. You can also access this information through each activity's grade review under the Assignments tab. To quickly find an activity, select the Go To Search button to filter and search for any activity within the course. Should you require assistance at any point, navigate to the Help tab. Here you will find a wealth of knowledge-based articles for frequently asked questions. The instructor admin page has resources specifically for instructors. If you need further assistance, click the Submit Ticket link to contact the GW support team. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about GW Ignite. Watch the next video to learn how to view and manage grades for your class.